A person looks at an AI chat response that says, "Here's a healthy meal plan," then scrolls through random meals that clearly don't fit their life and preferences. They pause for a second, unsure what they should ask the AI instead. If you want AI to build a meal plan you can actually use, don't ask for a meal plan. Copy the prompt in this video. It shows you what to ask the AI, the details it needs to make something realistic. Most people type something like, "Make me a healthy meal plan for the week." That sounds fine, but it usually gets you random meals, odd ingredients, and a plan that ignores your schedule, budget, or food preferences. The problem is simple. The AI has to guess. It doesn't know your goal, what you eat, what you avoid, how much time you have, or how you want the answer organized. So it fills in the blanks with generic ideas. A good meal plan prompt gives your real constraints: your goal, number of days, people to feed, foods you like, foods to avoid, budget, cooking time, and what format you want back. Those details are what make the plan usable. Here's the prompt. Pause when it appears, copy it, and fill in the brackets with your own details. You are a practical meal planning assistant. Create a X-day meal plan for X people. Goal: eat more protein. Include these preferences: eggs. Avoid these foods or limits: allergies. Use ingredients that are easy to find. Format the answer as a day-by-day plan. Before you answer, ask me up to 3 clarifying questions if anything important is missing. This works because it gives the AI a job, a goal, and real limits. It also tells it to keep meals practical, use easy ingredients, and ask questions before answering if something important is missing. Use the plan as a draft, then review it yourself. Check ingredients, cost, serving sizes, and whether it actually fits your routine. If you have health needs or allergies, confirm the plan with a qualified professional. The big lesson: don't ask for ideas alone. Tell AI what success looks like, what limits it must respect, and what format you want back. Remember, give the AI your goal, preferences, and real limits. The line that makes this prompt stronger is, ask clarifying questions before answering. Review the meal plan before you shop, cook, or rely on it. If this helped, subscribe to AI Can Help. One prompt, better results. What should we write next?